Hey, Wilson Taylor here. Today we're going to be going over the DJI Osmo Pocket's battery life. What I had found is I set the DJI Osmo Pocket to 4K 60 frames per second. I set it on a tripod, didn't move it, and just let it run. And it ran for a couple minutes over 1 hour. Yeah, that's it. Just 1 hour. But actually, when I was using the DJI Osmo Pocket, what happens is now you're activating the gimbal and you're getting it engaged. It doesn't last even 1 hour when you are actually using it. You see that gimbal getting involved, and it starts to heat up. So what I found helps extend the battery life of the DJI Osmo Pocket is getting an external battery. I use the Pocket Juice. I was filming for over 3.5 hours. I have it plugged into the DJI Osmo Pocket and it runs. So after 3.5 hours of filming at 4K 60 frames per second, the battery life on the Osmo Pocket was down to about 65%. So I highly recommend, if you plan on using this for more than an hour, then get yourself an external battery. I'm going to leave a link down below. They're relatively cheap. And again, this one here lasts for several hours. You can charge multiple things with it. So if you plan on, again, using it for more than an hour, definitely look into getting yourself an external battery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.